So when I was younger, I was into video games and technology in general just from a very young age. And it kind of transpired into wanting to know the hows and the whys of how everything worked. My mother was actually an alumni of Texas State, so that's what motivated me to come out here to study computer science here at Texas State. Computer science is about how to solve a problem. It involves a lot of math, and then you get into telling the computer how to solve that problem for you. A big part of that is AI. When AI first came out, there was a lot of mixed reviews and opinions on it. Some people saw it as an amazing tool and some people saw it as a shortcut. But now as we're progressing into people becoming more familiar, it's being used more as a tool in the classroom and it's being more promoted and seen in a positive light. And it's just kind of a big stepping stone into solving the problem a little bit faster so that way you can use your ideas more and save a lot more time efficiently. The Immersion Studio allowed me to connect with people that I never would have met otherwise. A really big connection that I made was Professor Wynn. He helped me and motivated me to make these projects, and that led me to being able to land a job elsewhere. I landed an internship opportunity at AMD. The role was hardware validation and debug co-op internship. It went perfectly with what I did here at Texas State because I made that project in Python and it was automation along with the integration of AI as well. The biggest piece of advice I can give incoming freshmen here at Texas State is to not be afraid to throw yourself out there, and particularly find groups, clubs, different communities, do work outside of the classroom. It's real easy to kind of get lost in your studies and only do the homework and study what you need to do. It's another thing though to pursue projects and passions outside of that class that'll relate to the future. That will be a really big help in this job market because it is getting extremely competitive now.